This 2025 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2519S is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, oven, air conditioning, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, stovetop burner, skylight, awning, refrigerator, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2519S is 6,009 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.